Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Beenie and Idris Elba on the same record. I know that's right. The award-winning actor in an Instagram post said, "Out of the fire, we will always defeat them." Big up King Beenie Turner and Takes the Author. Now the track titled Rise Again is being referred to as a masterclass in genre blurring, fusing raw drum and bass energy with deep-rooted reggae, dancehall and rap influences. Etana taps into 420 for the Ganja collection and makes debut collaboration with Sun. The 7-track album is a tribute to the sacred herb, roots reggae and Jamaican culture. Building on the success of her acclaimed 2019 anthem Ganja Lovers, the singer explores the herb's spiritual, medicinal and cultural significance. A standout moment on the album is the collaboration with her son, Yosa Malago, on the track Good Draw.
I need a good draw to lift me high up off of this pressure, up off of this pressure. Yeah. Just another draw, no make the pressure drop, no make no pressure drop on you.
Sean Paul earns new gold certification from 2009 Chris Brown collaboration. The collaboration Brown Skin Girl has officially been certified gold in New Zealand, marking over 15,000 units sold and proving the track's lasting impact years later. Now the latest milestone follows another recent achievement in New Zealand. Now on March 26, Sean Paul's hit When You Gonna Give It Up To Me featuring Keisha Cole also secured a gold status, adding to his growing list of accolades in the country. Brown Skin Girl originally appeared on Brown's third studio album Graffiti, released on December 8 in 2009 via Jive Records. The album debuted at number 7 on the Billboard 200, selling more than 102,000 copies in the first week. Now, on the international scene, today marks 10 years since Prince's death, and his birth. The city is planning a major tribute for his life and legacy. Organizers in Minneapolis say this year's celebration of life will be a multi-day event highlighting the artist's life and work. It takes place at Paisley Park, Prince's former home and studio, now a museum dedicated to his work. Festivities will begin on June 3 and lead up to what would have been his 68th birthday. The city will also host a free all-ages sing-along near a downtown mural honoring the music legend. Prince died in 2016 at the age of 57. Now, Cardi B received a special gift at a recent concert stop in Atlanta. Former President Jimmy Carter's daughter Amy gave her an autographed copy of her father's 2010 book, White House Diary. Cardi B has said in multiple interviews that she is a huge fan of political science and history. She has commented about her love for the 32nd President of the United States, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, and his wife Eleanor. The Grammy winner also spoke at a rally for Kamala Harris in 2024. Now, Cardi B openly gushed about how excited she was to be getting the gift, saying, "This is Jimmy Carter's signature. Can you believe that?" That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.